Cursor versus Zed. Which one is better? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explore and compare two leading AI-powered code editors in 2025, Cursor and Zed, to determine which fits your workflow and skill level best. So let's get started. Cursor is an AI-centric code editor derived from Visual Studio Code. Its mission is to embed artificial intelligence seamlessly into the traditional development environment. It focuses on intelligent code completion, AI-assisted refactoring, project-aware chat support, and generation features, all aiming to act as a robust AI programming assistant for experienced developers. Zed, in contrast, is an ultra-fast open-source code editor developed entirely in Rust. It emphasizes real-time responsiveness, minimal resource use, and advanced multiplayer collaboration. While Zed does incorporate AI tools, its standout features are its blazing speed, lightweight performance, and smooth teamwork capabilities, making it ideal for developers who value efficiency and collaborative workspaces. Cursor primarily caters to professional developers, especially those already familiar with Visual Studio Code. It's well suited for enterprise teams and developers managing large, intricate code bases. Zed, on the other hand, is designed for developers who prioritize speed, efficiency, and low latency coding. It's especially beneficial for teams doing pair programming or working on real time collaborative projects, and for coders looking for a more streamlined, modern alternative to heavier IDEs. Its open source nature also appeals to those who prefer community driven development and full transparency. Now let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses. First, let's start with the pros of Cursor. So it has deep AI functionality throughout the editor. It has strong code-based awareness and intelligent suggestions. Its familiar interface for VS Code users and features like composer modes, multi-line tab completions, and a high-capable AI chat assistant. Also, it has customizable privacy settings. But the cons are it's not open source, so you lose transparency and community flexibility. Since it's built on top of VS Code, performance might lag slightly on massive projects or when loaded with too many extensions. Pricing can be downside with premium AI features often behind a subscription paywall. Zed pros include it has exceptional performance and speed. It has built-in seamless real-time collaboration, sleek minimal UI focused on productivity, completely open source, allowing customization and contribution from the community, highly resource efficient, making it great for developers on modest hardware. The cons are its AI features are still in development and not as advanced as Cursor's, a relatively small extension ecosystem at this stage. Being a newer editor, you may encounter missing functionality or rough edges. So which one should you choose? Choose Cursor if you're a professional developer who relies on deep AI assistance for productivity. You're already familiar with VS Code environment and want to enhance it with smarter tools. You often work on large-scale coding refactoring, AI-driven code generation, or need help understanding and debugging large code bases. Opt for Zed if speed and performance are your top priorities. You work on collaborative coding projects or do a lot of pair programming. You prefer a clean, lightweight editor that doesn't bog down your system. So that wraps up this head-to-head comparison between Cursor and Zed. Hopefully this breakdown made it easier for you to decide which code editor suits your styles and needs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech dives. So I'll see you in the next video.